Damn, your girl so fine, but her breath is like. She say she wanna dance, but she don't know how to. Iced out, ooh, looking like a star. Her name is Jenny, ooh, bitch don't have no panties.
Play with the neighbors.
Liv! You're blocking the projector, Liv.
Do you ever just look at your dog and think, how the hell can I love something so much?
Three, two, one. I love,我的心哦
I wanna feel good too. Don't let me make you feel good. You give me
so excited! So excited!
Can you guys stop calling me cute? I'm not cute. I'm mean and scary, and I'll kick your butt. So.
twirling tuning. I always feel like somebody's watching me, and I have no privacy.
This my little doggy dude, getting chunky, eating all the food. Snuggles and he's pretty singing cute. That's my little dude. Way too many toys up in the room, and this is all he really ever chose.
You know, instead of waiting for a good day to happen, you know, waiting around through ups and downs, you know, I just said, look.
왜들 그리 다운돼 있어? 뭐가 문제야? Say something. 분위기가 겁나 싸해. 요새 이런 게 유행인가? 왜들 그리 재미없어? 아, 그건 나도 마찬가지. Tell me what I got to do. 급한 대로 블루투스 켜.
Oh my god, I totally bug it. Hello, it was his 50th birthday.
I'm a potato.
You're a tomato.
Potato?
No.
I said I was a potato.
No, you're a tomato.
No.
There goes the crackhead that I see each morning.
Lenny, the door's moved. It's not there anymore. You have to go to the other door now.
Bruh, look at this dude. Wait till you see the.
Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god! What is that?
Why is it spicy?
Okay, go. Good girl! Good girl! Good girl! Good girl! Good girl! Good girl! Good girl!
Walking on a dream. There goes the crackhead that I see each morning.
Turn the boost up first.
Ready?
Flyby.
Hi. Hi. Good morning. What the hell?
Stop saying that.
What the hell? What the hell? What the hell?
Stop.
What the hell? What the hell?
So excited, and I just can't hide it. I'm about to lose.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for coming to the meeting. This meeting is going to be about all the barking that has been going on today, even though there has been nothing to bark at. So
stop your dog from pulling you on a walk. Let's go. First, run around and get the energy out of your dog. Here's where the magic happens. Notice how I'm walking backwards and I'm getting Rupp to focus on me. She is not leading the walk. I am leading the walk using treats. After your dog masters walking backwards, start walking in squares. If your dog loses focus, reel her in with a treat.
Focused. Gonna get a treat from that guy. And he's pulling me big time. He knows you have treats. He's pulling like crazy. There you go, boo.
There you go, bud.
There you go, buddy.
You made it.
Yeah, you made it.
Kanina ka pa dyan? Ayaw mo talaga magpaaway? Saan lang?
Are you thirsty? You want a drink? Huh? Want some water? Yeah? Yeah? You want some water? Sit down. Good boy.
Kailangan coba dikit sih. Video udah kan hilang.
Hey, mommy.
Hey, my baby.
Hey, mommy. Hey, mama.
Hi, too.
Bye.
No. No.